Welcome to the Crazy Glam Planner, and this is the week of August 1st through 7th, 2022. And from here on out, for me, it just feels like the year just goes. So this week's theme was Hot Summer Nights, and it's actually from a challenge from a Facebook group, Happy Planning Tips and Tricks. And I'm just a part of that group. I'm just a member, but I'll post it below. So I went with the hot summer nights, and I live in the South, I live on the coast, and there is nothing better than front porch sitting and ice cold drink sipping. And I say ice cold drinks, because these don't have to be alcohol. They can be anything. I'm thinking of a Sonic slushy layered. Oh my gosh, with that Sonic ice, perfect. Okay, we're gonna hop right in. I am using a dashboard style big. I print this myself. I have dots instead of lines. I can rearrange whenever I want the days of the week on there or not. So I'm going to go ahead and put the days of the weeks on there. I have already dated it. By the way, this is also a free printable, and I'll post the link below. Be right back. Well, by right back, I didn't mean quite that right back. Jeez. Okay, so we missed a lot. I looked up and I wasn't recording. So I got my days of the weeks down. I had to put the most important thing is Garth Brooks' stadium tour. His last stop in the United States is Saturday, and I get to be there. So yesterday I turned on the radio and I'm like, hey, listen to country today. Not something I haven't been doing a lot lately. And they had tickets, and my husband's asleep. He works nights. Shot him a message to see if maybe he was waking up a little bit. He didn't, because I'll message him whenever he wakes up to go to the restroom or get water or something. He'll, message back. So I bought the tickets, not knowing if he could go, and if he couldn't go, well, I'd find someone. So my idea of front porch sitting and a hot summer night and having a cold drink, perfect. But you can't beat, well, maybe, but not close. Close call is a cruise on the balcony watching that sunset. So, but anyway, I wanted these colors. I'm sorry, nothing better than George Strait. George Strait would be good too, but he's on my bucket list as well. But Garth Brooks on a hot summer night, oh, perfect. Anyway, I wanted these colors to represent your sunset, sitting out on your balcony, on a cruise ship, on your front porch, just having a cold drink on a hot summer night. And this is Texas, hot. And if you haven't heard, we're having a heat wave. Oh, wait, that's normal for us. Sorry. It just gets hot here. So anyway, I used some washing and just layered different washies down, trying to get those used up. This is one long strip, and it should fit the Happy Planner or the Airy Conjuring Classic size, medium for the sidebar. Other than that, I really don't make these to fit a certain planner size, because I want you to think outside of the lines. Your stickers do not have to be directly in the square. Yes, I made this one to fit because I wanted to take up the whole Saturday. It's a special day for me. I will probably put a pocket somewhere over here and put pictures, because that's what I do. But I do need some planning. In fact, I probably should leave that part alone so that I could do something there to slide things in. Okay, so this picture right here, this graphic is actually washi. So when you do it as a JPEG, it'll be solid, so it's up to you. I think I left the little gray lines there so you could do that. Okay, use the weekend. And now it's just really putting things in. Let's see, Friday. I'm just kind of looking at things going on because Friday's a late work day for me, and I'm like, how do I need to do that? Get that down there right. And what I do have left over, I put in using my pocket planner. So yes, I do make extras for me. And if anyone wants to see what I do with all the leftover stickers, please let me know. And don't forget, stay tuned to the end. I have a surprise free printable, and I'm only going to be putting it in one place this time. So yes, I am bribing you. And you'll have to stay tuned for that one. Let's see here. I do like to do some layering. And right now, outside of the concert and work, just my normal things going on. So nothing big except this day. Here we go. It's my mother-in-law's birthday on the 4th. So I'll put that up there. Let's see, I think I want to use some of this washi here. And I don't like the white line there, and it wasn't a miscut. It's just kind of the way that graphic fit. Okay, and I do need to, of course, put something up there. You know what? I think I'm going to start using this one up here for my social medias. You know, I've been trying to figure out how to do that one. So I think I'll do that up here because my schedule stays the same. At least for this week anyway, it'll be social media. And these will be my to-dos. Leave this open so that, you know what, I'm going to use this sheet over here. Which one do I want? So I'm going to make a pocket right here. Let's see. I'm going to layer it actually. So let me find my scissors. I cannot find my cutter, my sliding cutter. I'm trying to think how big a pick when you do like 4x6s pictures here. So I'm going to, let's see, I want that one on top. So I'm just going to cut this one in half. But I don't like them to be straight because I like to be able to get my pictures in and out a little easier there. So I do kind of like to make it a pocket size. Yeah, I'm going to move this one. So it's going to be one of those days when I just rearrange everything. So let me do a little bit of rearranging and I'll be right back. We'll fast forward. Alright, I think that'll do it there on that rearranging, so we'll see on that one. Okay, so I just cut that to size and then I'm going to cut it down. Okay, let's make that a little more even. I've got to find my cutter. I've rearranged things, well, moved what would be my craft room. Okay. Alright, I like that one. So let me put this down. And I'm just using some permanent crafter's tape. You can get this at Hobby Lobby or Amazon. See, and this one I want all the way through. Top. You know what? Oh well, I see where I don't want to do that, but it may be too late. So I'm going to use this piece. I'm going to do another layer here because you know what? We may have smaller pieces that I want to put because I'm kind of going to use this as a scrapbook section right here. That is that. Let's cut straight across there. Let's make that just a little smaller. You know, I see in my head what I want, but that doesn't mean that's what I'm going to get. Okay, so I am not going to do the top there, and I'll show you why in just a second. So I like to use my planners also kind of a memory keeper, but not just a memory keeper. I need it functional. But when I know I have something coming up for sure, I like to be able to have a place to put some pictures and memories so when I'm going through it. And I am trying to print more and more. I feel like we're losing those pictures. Okay, I want to move this over as much as possible here because I wanted that to show. Alright, so here's what I've got going on here. See, I can put little things right here. And then I can put some larger things right here, and then if need be I can actually do pictures where I like to do a flip album. I can do them right in here as well. So need to figure out where I want to put front porch sitting, because that is, for me, it's part of this theme. And let me get this scrap paper out of the way here. So I'm going to, I mean, this one is a lot of rearranging this time, but you know what? It happens. You sit down, you have an idea, and then you start doing things, and it's not quite the way you want it to. And I have been thinking of this literally all week, and I just learned about Garth Brooks coming to close to our town yesterday. So it's like I already had in my mind the way I wanted things, and then that's not what happened. Okay, this is Undo. I get it on Amazon. If you're in California, I'm sorry, you cannot get it. And once it dries, everything sticks back to normal. Okay, so put that over there. So that'll be for my social media. Okay, I'm gonna get that to dry. We'll put the front porch sitting up here. I did not want to lose this one. I really liked that one. Let's see here. I think we're actually getting done, and this is turning out a little longer than I meant for it to be. Just trying to fill up some space. I do like white space, but generally what I do is leave space for the week, and then I'll take my smaller ones and put them to the side there on what I want. Okay, and these I'm going to use for my daily. It's my daily planner, my pocket planner. I bring it with me. Okay, and this one, put it up here just so that we have something. These are just my weekly to-dos. And then that'll be my social media, and that is totally crooked. But the paper I use, it does not, once your sticker's on there, it's on there now. It's good because it's on there. So, okay. I'm looking at it. This isn't my favorite right here. I don't have the better colors. I was thinking this would pull out the green and the yellows. But for what I want it to work, to do, that's going to work. So thank you for coming along for the ride. Let's see, I'm trying to think what I can do to make this blend in a little better. I'm just not happy with it. And I have a feeling at this point I'm just going to make it worse. I don't like that. Okay. So we're going to just leave it as is. Sunday, I say we're going to leave it as is, and then I figure out something else. Okay. We're actually got a hotel for the night. So after the concert, it's about an hour and a half away. But after the concert, we can just get a hotel. And we like going to that city and spending some time. That's Houston. So we're usually about 2 hours away generally. So we'll go spend the day in Houston and come back that next day, or Sunday night. All right, thank you for watching. I will put August up here with one of my date stickers. And this is Before the Pen. I hope you enjoy it. Please like it, thumb it up, ring the bell. Oh my goodness, I did. I almost forgot. A freebie. Oh, we don't need that one. That's from something else. All right, so I made a bookmark. I didn't cut it I didn't punch it quite where I wanted to for me. I punched it a little bit too high, so it's going to stick up a little bit more than what I'd want it to. But the idea, and if you're not used to bookmark dividers, is that this will stick up, and then you can find your week. This one you can use for the whole month of August. Put the calendar on there for you. If you don't want the calendar, then just print this one, flip on the same page, copy and flip it so that it's the exact same cut. This will be available in my Facebook group only. That is the only place I'm going to put this. That link will be below. And yes, I'm trying to get you to join my Facebook group. There's freebies there, and I'm trying to post a freebie once a week. Sometimes you'll get extras depending on my schedule. But August is back to school, so we did books, and I love roses. So here you go. You get a free printable little bookmark divider, and just don't cut it up a little when you do your punch a little bit higher up. I just did this on cardstock. You can also do it on sticker paper. You can laminate it, but can see I didn't stick it quite together like I should. I had my silhouette. Cut it. If you're cutting it by hand, glue it, paste it down together, and then go and cut around and fine tune so it's the exact same cut. This is me just not having a steady hand. Here's the other side. All right, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for watching. Not quite a train wreck, but just, you know, ignore that part. But I need this part for pictures, memories, and if we go to a store I'll put the cards in there and that kind of thing. All right, have a wonderful week. Stay cool out there. Drink lots of cold drinks and enjoy the sunset while you do that front porch sitting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.